Hello, plant enthusiasts. Are you a busy bee or just forgetful when it comes to plant care? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're diving into the world of low-maintenance houseplants, specifically 3 beauties that can thrive with just once-a-month watering. Let's get started. Plant 1, the ZZ plant. First up, we have the ZZ plant, also known as the Zamioculcas, Zamifolia. This resilient beauty is practically indestructible and can survive with minimal care. With its glossy green leaves, the ZZ plant is not only a low-maintenance superstar, but also a stylish addition to your space. Plant 2, snake plant. Next on our list is the snake plant, or mother-in-law's tongue. This hardy plant is known for its ability to withstand neglect and thrive in various conditions. The snake plant is a great air purifier and can go weeks without water, making it the perfect choice for those who often forget to water their plants. Plant 3, Aloe Vera. Last but not least, we have the versatile Aloe Vera. Known for its healing properties, Aloe Vera is not only a functional plant, but also incredibly easy to care for. With its succulent leaves, it stores water efficiently, allowing it to thrive with infrequent watering. There you have it, 3 fantastic houseplants that can survive on just once-a-month watering. Perfect for those with a busy schedule or a tendency to forget about their green friends. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more low-maintenance plant tips. Happy planting! Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.